Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob. This is a how-to video for changing out the drag link and tie rod on a 78-79 Bronco. We include the links to the products and tools I'm using in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Alright, let's get into it.
Remove the steering stabilizer and then start removing the bolt for the drag link.
Alright, so I had to go out and get a pickle fork to separate this ball joint or this joint here. It's too difficult to get apart without it. It's loose all right. There we go. Styrofoam here to protect the floor. Man, that was tough. All right, let's try the other side now. I think the hammer is the trick.
We got the old drag link and tie rod off. Now it's time to size up the new one. These may not be from the same manufacturer, so counting threads doesn't always work. It really works best to measure the overall length and then also measure from the center of each ball joint between the two and then try and match up with that. Had to take the mount off for the stabilizer to put on our new one. There's also this clip right here that retains that piece that goes between the two, that locks it in. I think I'm gonna have to take that off as well, but I'm just getting the measurements first. Get this one up there. You could use a jack stand if you got one short enough or something like that to hold it in place while I get this mounted up. And we'll get it torqued down to between 55 and 75 foot-pounds. I'm gonna go for 65.
I used my 1/2 inch impact to snug everything up before torquing them down to 65 foot-pounds. Since these aren't nylon locking bolts, I'm installing the lock pins to keep them from walking off. Reinstall the stabilizer and then install the Zerk fittings to all joints and make sure they're greased really good. Make sure to take your Bronco in when you're done to get it aligned. It's very important that you do this so that you have proper alignment of your front wheels and that you are traveling safely down the road. Also, this makes sure that you have even tire wear as well so your tires last longer.
Thank you for watching my how-to video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash down the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.